ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ki Runar ki pamla ban itu durkman haka arpsan trek unaitung arja arpsau kila Kawang leki mau badau Petrol bom haka wei ke Ïing basa kumba khatsan kan rat kinong shongwai ka badai ke Ïing jong ka kong Juli ringdo haka shnong Jhalupara haba pintikanai gani usupatan of police jong ka East Khasi Hills district uba es nong tunger haka jing kran bigala pathai khubor ulai thu bo in charge jong ka Jhalupara outpost ulai o jing tep halor gani ka jingja hapadeng ka por nyoshteng par prab James step USP ulai thuru ba walau Petrol bom ula bathai hende kamchim ladan kanu kanu jingja basngosi ne kanu kanu jing bensaw jong ki brio ki basawai ha kani ka Ïing shushu ulai thu ba ki pulir ki lapalong ki jing tokke ki babanya wanlap sai ki brio ki bron kti baya ka case rula register halum dingri police station.
In charge of Jhalupara informed that this morning at about 7:30 to 8, he came to know that somebody miscreant pelted stones, and after that they throw one petrol bomb in Jhalupara area. That is in the roof of resident of Srimati Jylla. Of course, in that she's not staying, but the tenants were staying there, and some non-tribals were staying. During inquiry by the in charge there, luckily no damage. Yes, that petrol bomb is a blast, but then no damage whatsoever. And in this connection, inquiry is still going on, and we'll do everything. We'll let Stu know on turn. We'll do everything. We'll check it out from all available sources, this and that. But as of date, as I say, no one injured, and a case will be accordingly will be registered in the Lumdingri police stations. No eyewitness were there, but I'm sure more than one. The sources says miscreants, that means more than one, but no eyewitnesses. The miscreant came from jungle. That's what our police, who has on hearing the sound, rushed immediately to the spots. They say the miscreant came from the behind side. Our team is looking for that to get a clue, whatever available. So we'll update you later once we got the update on this issue. That I can't say because it's too early. So the matter is still under investigation. So we'll let you know later if anything such linked to that issue.